Want to make charging your phone a little more fun? You can use mode and routine to add its lighting effect whenever you start wireless charging. Let's set it up. To do so, go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down the screen, then tap mode and routine. Now tap discover, scroll down the screen. Under battery section, select wireless charging visual effect. Here you will see the preloaded routine. In the if section, you can see that this routine is set up to trigger when your phone starts wireless charging. In the 10 section, tap add lighting effect once. Choose a style, for example glitter, then tap done button. At the bottom, you will also find edit if you want to change or add more option, share to send this routine to others, or save to keep it in your list of routine. By adding this routine, now every time you place your phone on a wireless charger, you will see the glitter add lighting effect once at the start. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.